Wancheng Square in Guangzhou. Let's discover it, where you can see the Canton Tower. And now, right in front of me is the Canton Tower, already at the Wancheng Square. So nice, especially during nighttime. That's one of the iconic towers of Guangzhou. Make sure you take a look at it at night kasi lahat yan may ilaw. So nice to walk here at the Wancheng Square because you're surrounded by very nice tall buildings, including the IFC Tower and all the expensive hotels you can see here. Ayan, as you can see, a lot of people walking around just relaxing. Ang gaganda ng mga buildings dito. And here on top is the IFC Center, Finance Center of Guangzhou. Ang daming nag-photograph dito sa ganda. So many Chinese tourists enjoying the Wancheng Square. Okay, that's a mall, the K11 on top of beside two big buildings. Yes, let's go inside. Nagtitinda, sipag magtinda. Oh, dito pala, marami nagpapa-photograph. Kasi, gusto mo kunang kita rito, Berna? Ito, oh, ganda oh, with the Canton Tower. Berna, gusto mo ba?
Ay, naku, imposible. Kanina pa.
Ayaw ni Berna na may tao. Okay. Ayan oh, IFC. Pagkatapos, Canton Tower. Ang dami mga towers na magaganda rito. Tapos, lakaran sa gitna. At nandito yung mga high-end hotels. Yes, Berna, the last time we were here was just less than a year ago. Naglakad kami ni Berna dito. Gabi, kanya maganda. Ayun, oh. Diretso si Canton Tower. By the way, just ilalim na yan. Nandyan si Underground Mall. Maganda talaga tong area na to. Kasi marami rin siyang landscape. Dami lakaran with the trees. It's just so relaxing, just walking around. Okay, we're supposed to nga, alam ko nandiyan sa likod niya. Imagine pauwi na tayo, namamarshal pa rin tayo. Adik sa pasyalan si Berna. Ganda talaga. Panangit tingin ko sa mga buildings Yung pala yung PNG oh. Okay, so ito yung same K11 sa Hong Kong Ganda, before we enter the mall Ganda ng backdrop. Okay, papasok na tayo sa mall ng K11. Wow, ang ganda rin ng mall na to. In mall to, may Gucci. Uy, ang dami pala mga Michelin restaurants dito, Berna. Ito, Michelin. Inside K11, ito naman, Mango Tree, Michelin din. Si Mercato, Michelin din, daming Michelin. Zinco Restaurant. Wow, daming Michelin guide restaurants dito. Itong duck, hindi siya Michelin, At saka ito, hindi ito Michelin, Thai food. Oh, nakita ni Berna, may Rosewood pala rito na hotel. High-end yan. Ganda pala mamasyal dito sa K11. Wow, ano ba to? Oh, it's a Cayenne. It's a Porsche. Akala ko, Chinese car. O baka naman kinopya. Kasi alam ko lahat dito, Tunay na Cayenne ba yan? It's the newest Cayenne car? By Porsche. Tama, Porsche. Oh, wow. Berna natawa, sabi ko BYD is better, Chinese car. Okay, sabi ko kay Berna, silipin namin yung Rosewood Hotel. Yan, Rosewood. Siguro pagka may extra money ako, mag-Rosewood kami ni Berna Baron. Okay. Ito na yata ang papasok. Wow, ibang ambience. Wow, ang ganda naman ito. Wow, ang ganda naman ito. This is Rosewood, and if you want to smoke and do some work. You can work here. Oh, and this is on the 95th floor, and this is the restaurant of Rosewood. Oh, wow, look at that. That's Canton, Mama. Canton. That's the Canton Tower overlooking this 95th floor. Okay, sarap mag-chill out dito. Wow, ang taas pala ng building nitong Rosewood, oh. Galing. Yan. Tapos na ako mag-chill. Ganda naman ang smoking area nitong ginawa ng Rosewood, oh. Meron siyang smoking area and you're surrounded by trees. Talaga naman. Para mahigop agad ng trees yung smoke ng naninigarilyo. Right, so from Rosewood, just right across Rosewood is the famous Ritz-Carlton of Marriott. Yes, we have a discount here being members. Hopefully we can use our Bon Boy membership. Left tower is Rosewood, right tower is another very nice building. Galing naman ng mga buildings dito. On the right and on the left. Tapos sa gitna is the IFC Tower. IFC, you just turn a little bit, you can get to see the Canton Tower na. Yes, that's the famous Canton Tower. And everything is all within walking distance. And you can be here in Wan Cheng Square. Okay, yun pala ang Guangzhou Library. Katapat nga is the Ritz-Carlton. Well, dun sa TripAdvisor na I check, mas mahalang rooms dito sa Ritz-Carlton compared to the Rosewood. But kaya, no? Ayan, no? Ritz-Carlton and Bernas entering. Hopefully we can use our Bon Boy. Yeah, Ritz-Carlton, Guangzhou. Ayan, kita. Hello. Yeah. Oh my God, ganda ng entrada nito, ah. Wow, nice. Very, very nice. And looks nice, everything. Hopefully we can use our Bon Boy here. Nice ambiance by Ritz-Carlton. And in front is supposed to be a buffet room. Nice stairway. This is just the coffee shop. Ganda nito, oh. And in front is the registration area. Okay, so we're leaving now this Marriott Ritz-Carlton. Ganda naman ang area niya for parking. Okay, so just outside the Ritz-Carlton, you can find Starbucks and also Kentucky Fried Chicken. And across is Haiti. And on top of that is the Ritz-Carlton, which is good kasi kung if you're trying to save money, you can just go outside the hotel. Okay, chill out tayo dyan. Antayin kita.